Leash K9 Training Cincinnati. Joining us for the next 2 weeks is Tanya. Tanya is here with her brother Boomer for a 2-week board and train. They are a little less than a 1-year-old GSDs. Notes from the owner, they can be a little bit reactive on a leash when seeing another dog walking across the street, or if another dog barks or gets reactive, they will react to that as well. They do some counter surfing or jumping as well, jumping up on people. If there's food on the counter, they will jump up on the counter. Door manners is also an issue, so they want to bolt out the door or not consistent with that together. So we're looking to get them really consistent on all their commands. They are familiar with sit, should be familiar with down and place a little bit. But before we get started with them, we just want to see what they know. So let's check that out. Tanya, can you sit? Good girl, good girl. Good sit. Wait. Hey, can you place? Can you place? Can you place? Tanya, can you place? Can you place? Can you place? Can you sit? Can you sit, Tanya? Tanya, can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Tanya, can you sit? So there's a dog outside right now. So that is what she sees or is distracted by. Tanya, can you sit? Good girl, can you down? Can you down? Tanya, can you down? Can you down? Click. Tanya, can you place? Can you place? Tanya, come. Tanya, come. Good. Can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Tanya, come. Come. Tanya, come. Tanya. Tanya, come. Good girl. Can you sit? Tanya, come. Tanya, come. Tanya, come. Tanya. Can you sit? Good girl. Good come, good sit. Break. So as you can see, we got some work to do with consistency. I will do her heel evaluation later. So check back with us on our videos for updates. Thanks. Hey, Tanya, can you sit, buddy? Good. Tanya, down. Good, down. Tanya, come. Good girl. Yes. Tanya, good, come. Good, sit. Tanya, break. Good girl. Good girl. Tanya, place. Good place. Down. Good girl. Tanya, come. Good girl. Come. Good. Good, come. Good, sit. Tanya, break. Good girl. Good girl. Tanya, Boomer? No? Yes. Tanya, break, break. Good. This is Tanya's initial heel evaluation. Tanya, heel. Tanya, heel. Heel. Tanya, heel. Tanya, heel. Tanya, heel, buddy. She's not as strong of a puller as Boomer, but she definitely will pull you if she wants to go somewhere. Tanya, heel. What are you doing? So, more so, not understanding what I'm asking of her. Tanya, heel. Paying attention to me when I ask, though. So we will get her healing beside me as well. Check back with us on our videos for updates. Place. Good place. Tanya, come. Good. Good, come. Good sit. Good girl. Tanya, down. Tanya, place. Good place. Tanya, break. Good girl. Good girl. Tanya, place, place. Good place. Good girl. Boomer. Boomer, place, place. Good boy. Good boy. He's good. Tanya, place. Tanya, down. Good girl, good down. Boomer, come. Boomer, come. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good.
sit. Oh, there you go. Good girl.
Down. Tanya, down.
So let's bring her over to this cot, and we'll try another distance down. So let's go over here this time, and then we'll come down a little further. Keep going. There you go. Good girl.